Good morning, guys. This morning I'll be showing you how I make my cornmeal porridge. This porridge is simple and easy to put together. So here I have half cup of cornmeal, and I did pour 1/4 cup of water into the cornmeal earlier just to soak it. I have 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of grated nutmeg, a few pieces of cinnamon sticks and bay leaves, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1 3/4 cups of milk. I also have an additional half cup of milk, and I'm going to add this milk to the cornmeal mixture and stir it well until it is smooth and nice. And don't you forget to check the description box below. Once I'm done with this, I have a pan over medium heat, and I'm going to place the milk into this pan. I'll also add the cinnamon sticks and the bay leaves, and I let this come to a boil. So now I'm going to add the cornmeal mixture into the boiling milk. And you want to keep stirring so that no lumps are formed. At this time, the cornmeal porridge starts to thicken. So I'm going to use the same dish that I had the cornmeal in, and I'm going to add an extra 1/4 cup of milk into that dish, and I'm going to pour it into this mixture. Make sure that you keep stirring just so that you would end up with a nice smooth textured porridge. Now as you can see that the porridge starts to look really creamy and nice and smooth, I'm going to add the brown sugar and stir it well. You can add more or less sugar, it all depends on your taste. Now add the grated nutmeg along with the vanilla essence. Give it a good stir and leave it to cook for 2 minutes over very low heat. So after 2 minutes, my cornmeal porridge is smooth, creamy, and nice. Look at this, guys. It's time for me to serve. At this time, you can feel free to add some raisins, some walnuts, anything of your choice, or you can leave it just the way it is. So now that I'm done, I'm going to be adding a little bit more milk to the top of my porridge, and if you're not a milky person, then you can leave this out. Cornmeal porridge only takes about 5 minutes to cook once it is the fine textured cornmeal, and you can also cook it with some coconut milk, and it's good. So here you have a cornmeal milky, creamy, smooth textured porridge, a morning to go meal, and enjoy. So don't you forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. Also leave me a comment, and thank you for visiting. I will see you in my next video.